Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank and we're back at Ernie's 80s Bike Shop, and today we're doing a bike check on this Haro Sport 1992 with the Bashguard. Check it out guys, Thermonuclear Orange, only done here at Ernie's. I'm gonna start off at the top with the Haro grips, the Diacom Tech 77 levers, Haro knee saber bars. Check out the Haro Fusion stem, the Odyssey gyro, Odyssey brakes, got the Haro HPFs 2.0, Femco rims, ACS hub. Check out those Haro pegs, and look at this color. The Fusion 43 teeth sprocket, Victor pedals, ACS hub in the back too, Odyssey brakes, and the Haro 2-bolt Fusion seat post clamp with the Haro seat post and the Fusion seat. Check it out guys, let us know what you think in the comments, and check us out at Ernie's 80s Bike Shop.